mga artists, welcome back sa akin channel. This is Chris Allen at ngayong araw papanoorin natin yung comparison video ng dalawang produkto ng America's Got Talent na parehong nagtapat nung edition nila. So meaning sa isang one edition magkalabot sila to sa edition ng America's Got Talent. I forgot kung anong year sila, 2018 I think, or what. So I'm referring to Filipino-American Angelica Hill and Chinese-American Celine Tam. So excited ako dito sa performance na to because this is the first time I'm going to listen or watch the performance of Celine Tam after her stint in America's Got Talent. So kasi after her stint in America's Got Talent, hindi ko na siya napakinggan. So I never heard her perform. So wala akong idea. So I don't know kung nag-improve pa siya, nagkaroon pa siya mas magandang boses now, especially now na she is already a grown-up girl. So halos, I don't know kung makaedad sila ni Angelica, pero they are both young when they joined America's Got Talent that time. So with no further ado, let's watch the video and later I'll be giving my reaction and opinion on the said video. Let's go!
She's just a girl and she's on fire. Harder than a fantasy, don't it like a highway. Oh, we got both feet on the ground and we're not coming down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. Everybody stares as she goes by, 'cause they can see the flame that's in her eyes. Watch her as she's lighting up the night, 'cause nobody knows that she's a lonely girl. She gon' let it burn, baby, burn, baby. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. She's just a girl and she's on fire.
Okay, tayo ba napanood natin yung comparison video ng performance nila ng dalawang alumni ng America's Got Talent na sina Angelica Hill and Celine Tam, na parehong nagtapat nung edition nila, di ba? So yon, na unfortunately si Celine Tam hanggang semifinals lang ata siya, then Angelica reached the top, the grand finals, and dun hanggang runner-up lang siya. Okay, now pag-usapan natin yung performance nila. So again, magkaiba na naman yung video, isa live and the other one is recorded. And kay Angelica, talagang kapag pinakikinggan mo sa Angelica, makikita mo talagang yung style niya, yung style ng isang bata, of a singer na nag-undergo ng training, voice training, ganon. So, ganon. Makikita mo sa performance niya na ganon talaga yung style niya. Ever since, diba? Yung talagang mayroon siyang isang formula sa pagkanta. And, I'm happy to see na ang taas pa rin ng boses niya. Very powerful. Tulad ng boses niya nung nag-compete siya sa America's Got Talent. Andun lang ganun pa rin. Very powerful yung boses niya. And yung range ng boses niya, ang taas. Naabot niya yung mga matataas na note. And this is the type of performance she likes to do. Yung talagang biritan, diba? So, kasi yun na rin I think na-train niya yung pagbibirit. So, yun. So, ang galing-galing ni Angelica, and definitely one of the best singers na na-produce ng America's Got Talent. Now, punta naman tayo kay Celine Tam, na tulad ng sinabi ko